Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on Pinterest. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Pinterest, click on your profile symbol on the bottom right, then click on your profile icon on the top left. Once you're on here, go to Social Permissions near the middle, and you should see Allow Comments on your pins. So this just means comments will be turned on by default for your new and existing pins. So all you need to do is obviously just toggle that off. You'll also get a few more options. Filter comments on my pins. So this just means hide comments from everyone on pins you created that contain specific words or phrases. And you can also change filter comments on others' pins. So that just means hide comments from others' pins that contain specific words or phrases. So that's how you can turn off comments on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.